class. My name is Hawa Umar. I'm here to talk about the properties of metals. But before then, what is a metal? A metal is a natural compound in which they are generally found in the form of the metal ores. Properties of metals are classified into two, the physical properties and the chemical properties. But I'm going to be talking about the physical properties. Physical properties of metals are dependent on the arrangement of the molecules or atoms in crystal lattices and the bonds that bind the atoms or molecules in which they are solid, liquid, or gaseous states. Most metals are solid at room temperature in which they exist in crystal lattices. The bonds that hold the atoms or molecules are metallic bonds. Though metals have the following physical properties: high boiling points and melting points, good conductors of heat and electricity, lustrous, malleable, that is, it can be hammered into a sheet, ductile, that is, it can be drawn into a thin wires, sonorous, that is, it gives off a note when hit. However, some metals do not exhibit all the features of physical properties of metals. For example, mercury has a low melting point of -39 degrees Celsius. Sodium and potassium have a low melting point of 97 degrees Celsius and 63 degrees Celsius. Thank you.
Good morning, class. As she said, we are here properties of metals are classified into two, which are the physical and chemical, and I'm here to explain the chemical properties. Chemical properties of an element are dependent on the number of valence electrons present in an atomic structure. And then we have the characteristics of chemical properties. We have reducing and oxidizing agents. Metals are reducing agents by definition because they tend to donate electrons readily during chemical reactions. On the other hand, non-metals are oxidizing agents because they tend to accept electrons readily during chemical reaction. Thus, in this formation, sodium hydroxide, which is the metal, acts as a reducing agent, and oxygen, which is the non-metal, acts as an oxidizing agent. This is the reaction for reducing and oxidizing agents. And then we have an aqueous solution. An aqueous solution of metal oxide turns red litmus paper into blue. And then we have reaction with oxygen. When metal reacts with oxygen, it forms metallic oxide. And then when this metallic oxide reacts, that is when metal and oxide combine, they form metal oxide. And then we have, for example, magnesium. Magnesium is a metal. When it reacts with oxygen, it forms magnesium oxide. And then when this magnesium oxide is dissolved inside water, it gives us magnesium hydroxide. This is the equation for magnesium hydroxide and magnesium oxide. And then we have displacement reaction. When a more reactive metal reacts with a less reactive metal, it displaces its salt solution. That's, for example, when iron is more reactive than copper, and so it displaces copper from its salt solution. Example, we have and then we have, last but not the least, reaction with base. Metal reacts with bases such as sodium hydroxide and forms salt and hydrogen gas. And then we have, which is metal plus base, and then metal plus hydrogen. For example, we have aluminium. When aluminium reacts with sodium hydroxide, it forms sodium aluminate and hydrogen gas. Thank you. And with that, we hope you guys understood what the properties of chemicals are.
Metals undergo what? Oxidation or reduction?
Metals?
Yes.
Undergo reduction.
Undergo what?
Reduction.
Reduction? So what is reduction?
Reduction is when
In terms of electron transfer, reduction is what?
donation of electrons.
In terms of electron transfer, do metals undergo reduction in terms of electron transfer?
No,
So why did you say they undergo
they
reduction?
oxidize because
Okay, so in this case they undergo what?
oxidation.
Oxidation, which is what?
Accepting of
Oxidation is accepting. Have you forgotten Mr. Nyoka? Okay, for the last chance, define oxidation. Metals undergo oxidation in terms of electron transfer, not reduction, right?
yes.
Now, what is oxidation in terms of electron transfer? What is oxidation in terms of electron transfer? You say metals undergo oxidation, isn't it?
Yes.
Now, what is oxidation in terms of electron transfer? Is what? I know that you know it. Just calm down and answer this question. Yes? It is what?
It is the acceptance of electrons.
No. Oxidation is the losing of electron. Lose of electron is oxidation. Gaining of electron is reduction. So metals lose their electrons. Is that okay? So which is one of their chemical properties? Alright, thank you very much.